welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Shine or 7 day. You know, I see the when she do live on stage, you know, it was really nice. Like, I really love the way she do the show, you understand? But I can't show say some kind of people wey me no see for there. The thing come dey surprise me. Eh? We be Bini, we be Edo. Why we not dey cooperate? Why? Eh? Even some even go dey tell people say make they not come a show. Why we Nigerians, as in we the Edos, why would they always they behave like this? Why? Because now we go dey claim say we too love, it's good to love one another. How come we not dey love ourselves? Why? Why we not dey love ourselves? It not good. This thing wey we dey do, we Nigerians, especially with the Edos, it not good, eh? Really, like seriously. It not mature. You understand? That show that the upon us say as soon as see do, rich people still come. You know, it just man where God just give am, eh? And the man say some of una they say na so the man look for am. Na so the man do this. But my people, it better pass some people will be say they never even get at all. You understand? And the man they support. That is just one thing I love about the man. That is just one thing I love about the man. They support. The man they support, like seriously. I never see husbands where they behave like this. Some men they don't support their wife, eh? But Shine husband, he did there, they dance, you know, they just want thing about the man. You know, the man they support, it really shows say he love Shine. I just pray may God just bless her with the fruit of the womb as the man they around. So, you know, if they really they support, he's a good man. That man a good man, really. Not be the way we say look at that time, with the way a matter come out of social media at that time, eh? This man really did different, eh? I not lie now. If you see good man, and once you tell no one, the man they support your wife. I love the way that they do their things. One day, she go still come this Europe too. You understand? She go still come. She go still come UK, come still perform. She's a bit sing. She get the voice. She gets the voice, like seriously. She get the voice. You understand? One day, God go still do one. You go still come this Europe. You go still come UK, come perform. In fact, you go still go Europe tour. You understand, my people? Because even you know, I just find that one thing now be say wetin make me they do this video be say una not they cooperate with Edo industry. Why? Una all of una call una self actress. Una not they see them Lollywood, the mini Edo, cheesy, all those people. If one thing just happen to person like this or they want to do something, all of them they complete. Now only Bini go sabi do keep enmity. I don't understand. I not just understand una at all. Una go figure keep enmity till next 5 years. Why? We still enter new year, una not fit settle. Even new year where we still enter, una not fit settle. All of una go just they keep minus. Why? It's not good, really. Una really need to settle this una matter. Una need to settle. What the person they use quarrel they do? Une da yavene na gbon na, une de no. Une da yavene na gbon. Na gbon vegbe. It suppose make with the Bini, all of us go they cooperate. You understand, my people? Maybe they cooperate. Not be this one go they do you, this one go. You not bam like that. Ew. Una no go understand. They not bam. It suppose maybe say with the Bini, we go they cooperate. Not be say oh this one go they doing you, this one go they doing you. It not make sense for you at all. It not just bam at all. The way una they do things with the Bini, the thing they surprise me, like they shockalize me sometimes. You understand? I just sit down and say, no, I must do this video. We see enter new year again, and office settle. Wetin Shine can't do rich like that, or wetin everybody can't do rich like that, or wetin Faustina can't do rich like that. we be say una not fit settle. All of una just they keep my knees. This one go do in you. Una go pass each other for road, and no go greet each other. Hey, now wow. Now wow. And you know the funny part of it, my people, God will create us, come this world. You see, they forgive us. God will create us. Talk less of you, will be you, a human be. You say no, you don't go feel forgive person. Why? Because I believe say supposing all of una they play now. Even for still, I'm not saying for them, but you will shine be they play too now. Maybe they support each other. More all of us they love each other. Thank God people still come, they still spray. I see some people where it was really sweet, it was nice, but at least maybe they support each other, and so that everybody could they play. Mona settle. I am in a years old. Well, I'm off war. Not be this boy they do marriage today now. Wetin. Wetin I know his story. You understand? But today, I see people see come too. You understand? So maybe they cooperate, maybe they support each other. But this one wey shine do, you see better pass the one wey the fair do. So thank God, at least make all of us more than settle our differences. Make everybody they play, make the thing they sweet they go. Not be say quarrel. No. I mean, na yes, I was see me. I not sabi keep enmity you. I know sabi. If I keep enmity small, it go to do me say settle with this person. Settle with this person, So I mean, na yes, Oya Wagbona, not today this world, my people. Not today this world. Na gbelegbo aje, even by the dero, Nothing. Even by ro, even by Ragbona, you will not know they will go break tomorrow. You never know whether you go sleep, whether you go wake up tomorrow. You dey keep enmity. What about if you can't me? God can't tell you say, you not go forgive you because you don't forgive person when you dey alive. How you can't reason your life? You can't say, oh, I die no. Suppose I know. God, I beg, give me second chance. I beg, give me second chance. It don't late that time. You understand? So when we were now, who was settle? You know. So my darling people, I know I made the video too long. So anything you want to think about this video, if it really makes sense, because I just reason and say, God, say do this video. I make I do them so. So thank you, my darling people. Please let me to share the video. Let the video see reach where they dey. These people, when I mention their name, make you reach where they dey. Make all of them settle their differences. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.